Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Akshara from ACEA section. Today I'm explaining about PN junction diode from EDC subject. Yeah, here we see introduction of PN junction diode. The PN junction diode is formed by joining a P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor. A PN junction. It is a junction formed by there are two types of semiconductors. They are P-type and N-type. When we join them, and some junction was created there. That junction is called PN junction diode. It allows current and flows only one direction. It only allows for current for flows only one direction. It is the basic building block of semiconductor device. Now we see the formation of PN junction diode. When a P-type and N-type semiconductors are joined together, PN junction formed. We already know about this point and we saw in previous slide. And now we see a second point is at the junction, electrons and holes recombine, create a depletion region. Uh, in p-type electrons is there and n-type holes is there, and those are combined each other, and because of their combination a depletion region was created. We will see what is depletion in next slide. And the depletion region acts as barrier to charge carrier. Now, we will see what is depletion region. Depletion region is a zone around the PN junction diode where the mobile charge carriers are deflected. It contains immutable ions, creates an electrical field. It is a region plays a vital role in diode operation. These three are the main points about depletion regions. And next we see about forward bias condition. Here in this there are two conditions are there. One is forward bias condition and another one is reverse bias condition. In forward bias condition, main thing is positive terminal of the battery is connected to P side and the negative terminal is connected to N side. It was the main thing we have to remember about forward biased condition. Next, the depletion region becomes narrow. In this forward bias, the depletion region very narrow. Like here we see it is P junction. It was a rough sketch. It was and here it is the depletion region. This is the depletion region. It is very narrow in forward barrier condition. Now current flows easily across to the junction. The current easily flows. There is no leakage between uh, these. Next, we will see about reverse biased condition. In reverse biased, this reverse biased condition is totally opposite to forward biased condition. In reverse biased condition, positive terminal is connected to N side and negative terminal is connected to P side. We already said this was already full opposite to the forward bias. And depletion region is widened. Depletion region is widened. In the depletion region is narrow. And here we see that, yeah, this was P and this was N. Here, it is the depletion region. You can observe here it was wide. This depletion region is wide than uh, forward bias to condition depletion. So it is best because due to this a small, very small, not much more, very small leakage of current is was there and not thanks to. Now we see the VI characteristics of PN junction. VI characteristics of PN junction means a graph. In this graph, we'll see V voltage in y-axis and current in x-axis. Here, there are three conditions: forward bias and reverse bias and breakdown. These three characteristics are shown in VI graph. Now we see first in forward bias, current increases exponentially after the threshold voltage. What's this? Current exponentially increase after the threshold voltage. After threshold voltage, current increases exponentially. And in reverse bias, only a small leakage. We already know now. In small leakage, uh, the current flows until breakdown occurs. Sudden leakage of current was reversed at a breakdown voltage. And we see application of PN junction diode. Here, these are the four main and simplified applications of PN junction diode. First one is rectifiers. First of all, rectifiers are two types. One is half wave rectifier and another one is full wave rectifier. Means half wave means we will see only half wave. We show only half wave. And full wave means it is example in sinusoidal wave. Yeah, this is half wave rectifier. Then it was full wave rectifier. No, here the rectifier thing is convert AC to DC. It was a device which is used to convert from AC to DC. Now, PN junction diode plays a vital role in clipping and clamping circuits. Clipping and clamping circuits. Next, in voltage regulation and switching applications also PN junction was used. So this is the brief explanation about PN junction diode and applications about PN junction diode. That's it.